One of the most important things you do as a college student is take notes. You need notes for all of your classes, and it helps you to remember information so that when you prepare for your exams, you're ready to go. So there's a couple of things that you can do. One of the most effective means of taking notes is what's called the Cornell note-taking system. It was created by Walter Pock, who was an education professor at Cornell University. And in 1950, he devised this system that I think is really effective and something you might want to use. First of all, you need to organize your notes. And to do that, Pock provided this idea, dividing your paper into 3 parts. Take your notebook paper and divide it. First of all, make a small pocket at the bottom, extending a line from the left side to the right side. About 2 inches works really well. Secondly, divide your paper from top to bottom using another line, 3 inches on this side and the rest on the right. Then these 3 sections can be used to help you organize your notes in a way that they're easily, you can go back later and use quite successfully. First of all, this right side, which is the largest side, is where you need to put your notes. As you are taking notes during lecture or if you are reading a textbook, you can use this system and put your notes, your summary, here in this right-hand side. Then, after you have written, you can then take this left-hand side and put in any kind of review terms or an outline that your professor might provide for you in this section here. Then, this third section can be used for summary. After reading all of the information here, having divided it up by the important information here on your left, then take all of this information and condense it down to 1 or 2 sentences that really tell you what this is all about. Or if you read this and you have questions, this is the perfect place to put those questions. So the next time you meet with the professor, the next time you look at the chapter, you have your questions here. What is it that you didn't understand about that you need to know? So the Cornell note-taking system is a perfect way for you to organize your notes so that you can go back and use them effectively later, especially when you are reviewing for an exam. Note-taking is a very important part of going to college. And if you can figure out a way to make it successful, make it work for you, it's the best thing to do. So try the Cornell note-taking system and see if this helps you better organize your thoughts, your materials, and make it easier for you when you prepare for your exams.